Hello everyone, welcome back to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the real-time scenarios, where we need to copy multiple files into the different location. So basically, we have multiple source file in one location that we need to copy into the destination, and after that we need to delete them or archive them. So we are trying to understand how we can achieve the same in Azure Data Factory. So the use case is we have file 1, file 2, and let's say file 3 and multiple files. So this is my suppose source, and on destination I don't have any file. I need to basically copy here, and once it is copied, after that file will be removed from here. So we are going to use two different activities in Azure Data Factory to achieve the same: copy activity and delete activity. Okay, so let's move into Azure Data Factory. Okay, so let me first show you my file. Basically, it is residing in the Azure Blob storage. So if I click here on the storage account, not storage account, here in the container, basically, so you can see there is one source folder and destination folder. So if I click on source, you can see there are multiple files: customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, and 4. Okay, now if I open the destination folder, so you can see that we don't have any file here. Now after running my pipeline, my all file will be copied here. Let me move into the Azure Data Factory and let's try to achieve this. So first create pipeline, new pipeline. Let's give the name, copy, and del. Okay. Now let me take activity, copy activity. Okay. When I click on copy, and I need to select source and sync. So as soon as I click on source, I need to basically create data set for this. So let me create data set first. So I can click here on new, and in my case data source is Azure Blob storage, so I will click on Azure Blob storage, and my file is basically text, so I can click here on CSV, and name I can give cust text, and then link services. I need to again create link services as well. So I have already discussed about link services and data set in my previous video. You can check it out. Now description is as it is, authentication type, and subscription I need to change, which is free, and storage account I can use demo 451 because my file is available on demo 451. Yeah, see here, and after that I can click on, I can check my connection here. So now it is taking little time. Yeah, it's successful. Create. So I'm creating. Now it is asking me for the container. So let me select the container. So I'll select here. My container is source. So I'm selecting source. Okay. Okay. So I selected here. Okay. Now I need to map cust. Okay. So let me take the data set for this one. I will click on new. Again, my data set is Azure Blob storage, and then delete method text, and I can select basically new link service. Again, SA demo 451 and then create. Here I can select path destination. Okay. And I don't need any schema and anything, so I can click here on none. Okay. So now my source and sink has set. Now let me select wildcard path in the source. I will tell you. So I need to choose all the files, all the text files which are there. So for that, I'm choosing this wildcard file path because I have all the text files. So I have given star.txt. If I show you, I have in my source, I have all the text files. Okay. So that's the reason I'm giving here to load multiple files. Okay. So my another thing is once this copy, these all files are copied, then I need to delete. So for that, I will take another activity, which is delete. I'll click here, delete, and I will map this to this one. And I'll go here on the, or I'll click here on the delete part. And I have source. So my source is basically dataset cust text. And again, I will choose the wildcard path here and star dot text. So once my file will be copied, then all file will be deleted from here. Okay. Let me publish this file. It is publishing. Now it is published. Publishing completed. Now let me trigger this. Trigger now. Trigger pipeline using last published. Yes. Okay. So it will take some time. It is running. So basically this file, as I mentioned in initially, it will copy all the file into the destination and then remove the file. Yes, it is taking little time. Succeed. So did succeed. Let me check if the file is moved. So I don't have any file in source. And if I check in the destination, all the files are available in the destination. So after copying the file, all file got deleted as per our activity. I hope this video would be helpful. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel.